what makes for a great financial advisor's website. Today, I'm going to share an example of one with you and talk through it, showing you 5 reasons why this site does a great job and how you can go back and look at your own site to make sure you're hitting the mark as well. I'm Samantha Russell, the Chief Evangelist at FMG Suite in 20/10, and let's jump right in. Okay, so the website that we're looking at today is from the company Beyond Your Exit. The CFP who runs it is Tom Poltersdorf. I hope I'm not butchering your name, Tom. But what I love about this site when you immediately land here on the homepage is you're gonna see this beautiful black and white with pops of blue design, right? So it's really sleek and it's really modern. And we'll come back to that in a second, why that's important. But the first thing that you're gonna notice when you're on the site is the text right there on the homepage, right? So we call this above the fold. This is what we call the hero text, the hero of your story. This is the most important copy because it should tell a visitor within 5 seconds who you are, what you do, and who you do it for. So you can see here, create a vision for your next phase of life, helping business owners exit on their terms. So it lets us know that he works with business owners, that he helps them figure out their succession plan or how they're going to exit from the business, how they're going to sell. And obviously that he is a financial advisor, a wealth manager. You can see there in the logo from Beyond Your Exit. So really well done hero text here. The second thing that I want to point out is that the design that I mentioned when I first brought up the homepage really speaks to this niche, right? So it's sleek, it's modern, it's kind of techie looking if you are looking at it quickly. You got the big bold glass windows, the black and white design. So it really fits the audience in which we're trying to target here. The third thing that it does well is that it has really solid CTAs, which are call to actions. So there's 2 different ones, and this is really important. We always want a primary and a secondary call to action. So the primary call to action is, always getting someone to book a time on your calendar or schedule a time to meet with you. And so here we see Tom has start here. And when you click that start here button, it's going to take you to a page that goes through the process of how he works with people and if it's a good fit to work with him and how you can actually begin by booking a call. So a great CTA there. But you additionally want to have a secondary call to action for those people who are not yet ready to actually take that step, right? Which is going to be 99% of the visitors that are landing on your website. They're just checking you out for the first time. So you see he has that secondary call to action, which is get to know us. And when you land there, you see his bio. You get to learn more about him. So he nails the calls to action. That leads me to point number 4, which is that his bio is actually written in first person. This is so crucial, and it's a number 1 mistake I see on financial advisor websites. People are choosing you as their advisor because of the relationship, right? We're not selling commodities. We're selling a service that is founded and based in a relationship. So writing your bio in first person and sharing a little bit of your story, a little bit more personal details is incredibly crucial here. So we can see Tom has this great picture of his family. He talks a little bit about his background and his story and why he's so passionate about working with the types of people that he does. So he nails the bio. Write your bio in first person. And then the very last thing that I want to call out is that the copy throughout the site is incredibly engaging and it's just not boring. 90% of advisory sites out there are really boring. They use too much jargon. They don't tell a story. Storytelling is incredibly important in all marketing. So if you scroll through even just the homepage, right, he's got, so what's next for you? One thing is certain, planning well for your business exit is critical. And then he has these nice little stats, right? 80 to 90% of business owners, and then when you hover over them, say net worth is locked in their business. Only 4% of business owners, and when you hover over it, have a written plan for what they would do post-exit. So interactive copy throughout the site, different interactive elements that keep you engaged. So those are 5 reasons why I love this website, Beyond Your Exit. They worked with our team at 20/10 to design this. And I just hope that going through all of these different elements was really powerful for you to see what makes for a great site itself. If you have questions or you want us to look at a page on your site, drop your website URL below and let us know what questions you have about it and we can take a look. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're sharing it with others because that really helps this content get seen by more people. Again, I'm Samantha Russell from FMG Suite and 20/10, and we'll see you for another marketing tip next week.